Friends, today I am sharing with you the video of 5 such you have never seen such a smart dog.
Number 5. Come to your 5th video to see what you can see here. How does this dog come from the forest with a big 2-meter wood? On one side there is deep water and on the other side there is an empty space of 8 inches. The dog is also very fat, and it considers it necessary to bring the wood to the other side. Brings himself to the other side.
Number 4. This dog also stops a child from going forward in the sea. And the dog knows that the child may be in danger from the big waves ahead. First the dog restrains the child from rest. But the child does not stop from stopping him. Then the dog stops the child hard and pushes the child and knocks the child down. He succeeds in bringing the bar by holding it by the clothes.
Number 3. The third dog's feats show what it does that makes itself unique from other ordinary dogs. This dog also shows amazing intelligence, how to get its baby out of a big drain. Take these children and take them. I can't see how his mind works that he comes out holding the chain around his neck in his mouth, and by pulling the chain, he succeeds in getting his child out of the bay and then happily goes home. Hope you like this video too. Saved human life from drowning. You could tell this was a training miracle for the service dogs. They were so excited to see you and ran at full speed. And looking at the man, the bear from the water is 100% successful, and they are very loving while doing this.
Such dogs are useful. This dog also has amazing intelligence. Hope you like this video.
Number 1. So come to the cleverness of this dog. How to save his owner's little child from drowning in water. The child's ball goes into the water. The child is going into the water for the ball. The dog understands that the child is small. He will drown in the water. First the dog takes the child away from the water and then takes the child's ball out of the water and gives it to the child. Channel. I'll keep trying ways you upload such interesting video channel.